Hi friends. Welcome to our channel. So friends, today we have brought for you circuit board of 200 watt mono amplifier. This board is specially designed to run the subwoofer. So let's see how to make its connection. So friends, you have to do the connection of transformer like this. AC 24 volt. AC 24 volt. And here you have to connect 0 volt. You can use 24 volt to 27 volt transformer in this board. Minimum of 6 amps, and if you want to drive 12-inch sub then 8 amps. If you want good performance, then we will suggest you 8 amperes. Friends, as this board is made to run subwoofer, you will have to connect a low-pass filter board in its input. We have already uploaded the video of low-pass filter board. You can download PDF from there. This is how to connect the board. Right channel, ground. And left channel here, you have to connect a potentiometer between the both boards to control the volume. You can use 50K or 100K potentiometer here. Friends, you have to make connection like this. The output comes from the sub board. You have to connect it to pin 3 of the potentiometer. And the one which is ground is to be connected to pin 1. The output that comes out of the pin number 2 is to be connected to the input of the amplifier board. Ground wire you have to connect to the ground of the amplifier. Friends, we have designed this PCB in such a way that you can use 50 volt or 63 volt filter capacitor in power supply. Now we see where to connect the speaker. You can connect speaker from 8-inch to 12-inch in this board. We would recommend to you 12-inch JBL subwoofer. Connect the positive terminal of the subwoofer to the plus side mark on board. And negative terminal to the minus sign mark on the board. Because this is a bridge mode amplifier, no ground is required. Friends, if you like this PCB, then give like to this video. If you're new to this channel, then please subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notification. Because this is class AB amplifier, you have to use big heatsink with fan. Friends, we hope you like our videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, then comment below. If you want PDF or Gerber file, then contact us through mail. You will find our mail address in the description of the channel. Thanks for watching.